First 5 on LPU. First 5 on LPU. Inchut ka, inchut. LPU against St. Pinil, NCAA Season 3.
Bilarte, ikaw, ay ano? Asan si Pirolo? Bilarte dong ha? Sir, first five sir, LPO. Ha?
Takin tayo sir, lahat takin tayo, takin sir tayo.
Sir, ikaw.
First 5 on St. Pinil, Crooks. El Parador, Bilarde. Arangues.
Anggis na ba ito? Pilar ka. Pilar ka.
And Pilar ka.
Ano na jumbo ba yan? Nag-jumbo na ba yan?
First position of LPU. First basket, first attempt, too strong, rebound on Crooks. Crooks now. Crooks setting the play to Bilarde. Looking for the side, nice pass, intercepted, nice move. Take to Crooks, first basket, yes! On Crooks! Score 2-0, favor of St. Pinil. Pahulayan. Nice fake. Stop out. Oh! In and out by Joseph. El Parador to Bilarde. Bilarde to Bilarca. Pass outside. Nice fake. Pass. Too strong. Rebound on LPU. Agria now. Stop. Pump. Drive. Goes to. Oh! What a pass! Yes! On Joseph coming from Pagilayan. Now to all. Our first leg of the game. Our NCAA. LPU, St. Pinil, Crooks. Black behind. Pass to Alparador, Black again. 10 to shoot, 10. Pilarca, fake, crowd. Yes, on Pilarca. Now 42, 2-point lead now on St. Pinil. Steal by Crooks. It's 2-1, Bilarde, stop up. Nice defense on LPU, nice defense. As to Pagilan, it's 2-1, pop, fake. In and out, rebound on the game, Pilarca. Joseph to Bigayan. Yes, our score now, 2-4 all. Our second deadlock of the game, LPU St. Pinil. Our NCAA by basketballista, 8 minutes. Bilarde. Acto Parador. Parador now, to Crooks. Too strong, rebound on LPU. Oh, short! Rebound on Pilarca. It's 4-on-1. Pilarca, derecho now. Pilarca, stop up. Looking for Crooks. Crooks to Pilarca, 14 to shoot. Pilarde. Drive, foul. Foul on number 18 on LPU.
Jump ba ito?
Chan Lloyd. Short. Steal. Same ball. 18 to shoot. 18 to shoot. Second set clock. 7 minutes 15 seconds. The door now. Stop, huh? Yes, on Aparador, the door. Now 6-4. 2-point lead now on St. Pinil. St. Joseph. 7-6. Wala shot coming from St. Joseph. Bilarde. 40 to shoot. Aparador. Too strong. Turnover on St. Joseph. 14 to shoot. 6 minutes 20 seconds. 7-6. 1 point lead on LPU. Bilarde. Pasok Crocs. Fake. 10 to shoot. Pilar ka. Open jump. First basket. Too strong. Rebound on St. Pinil. Turnover. Nice shot by Pilar ka. 6 minutes. 7-6 our score. 1 point lead on LPU. St. Joseph again. Too strong. Rebound on St. Joseph. Same spot. 3-point shot. St. Joseph. Short again. St. Joseph. Rebound on St. Pinil. Pilarka. Guarded by Jerry. Crocs. Crocs now. Unselfish pass from the door. No! Foul! Foul on number 24 on LPU.
Pagbayan.
First on Pagurayan, second team foul on LPU. Crocs. Ball on jumper, Crocs too strong, rebound by Jerry. LPU ball, LPU. Oh, white ball, white. White ball. Chamloy. Steal on St. Pinil. Now on Aparador, short, di ba ng Pagurayan? Pagurayan now. Nice pass to St. Joseph. Now 9-6, 3-point lead on LPU. 4 minutes 40 seconds. Bilarde. 3-point lead LPU. Bilarde now, 14 to shoot. Back to Crocs. Back to Bilarde. 10 to shoot. Aparador, the door. Fake. The door now. 5 to shoot. Last short foul. Foul on number 27 on Aparador, the door. First on Aparador. First team foul on St. Pinil. Jerry. Ignacio, too strong. Jump. Foul.
Foul number 91.
Foul on number 91.
Braveheart.
First on Braveheart. Second team foul on St. Pinil. 4 minutes. 9-6 our score. 3-point lead on LPU. First basket on Jamroy. Now 10-6.
Sorry sa lahat ng laro niya, ngayon lang naka-free throw yan. Ngayon lang nag-free throw yata yan.
Oh! Di ba ba Ignacio? 14 to shoot. 14. Too strong. Rebound on Crocs. Crocs now. 1-1. Crocs. Zigzag. Crocs. No soul train. Crocs. Now 8-10. 2-point lead now on LPU. Jerry. Guarded by Crocs. Jerry. Wow! Ito natin again. Rebound on Pilarka. Guarded by Jerry. Pilarka now. It's 4-3. Pilarka intercepted up. Pilarka. Crocs. Nice pass outside. Braveheart to Pilarka. Open jump. Yun natin again. Rebound on J-Mart. It's 4-1. Pass to Ignacio. Stepping on the line on Ignacio. 3 minutes. 10-8. 2-point lead on LPU. Aparador. Zigzag. Aparador to Braveheart down. Nice defense of J-Mart. 40 to shoot. Nice defense on LPU. 10-8. 2-point lead on LPU. Pagurayan. Ignacio. Bang! Time out! On St. Pinil. on LPU. Our first quarter, 2 minutes 41 seconds. Remaining time. Bounding Braveheart to Bilarde. Bilarca. Fake. Right. Alpador. Crooks. Favorite shot. Short again. May rebound by Crooks. Short again. Rebound by Crooks again. Crooks. To Bilarca. Top to Bilarde. Open jumper. Short. Rebound again by Braveheart. Out. Short. Jerry to Ignacio. Ignacio to St. Joseph. Ignacio. Oh! Pass to Ignacio. St. Joseph. Yes on St. Joseph. Now 15-8. 7-point lead now on LPU. 2 minutes. Aparador. Black again by Pagulayan. It's 2-1. Jerry to Pagulayan. Nice move. The bench run. Pagulayan. 17-8. 9-point lead now on LPU. 1 minute 40 seconds. Aparador. Short again. Rebound on Jamhar to the brethren to St. Joseph. 19-8. Now 11-point lead on LPU. Aparador. Stop up. Again in and out. Bola Pilarca. Foul. Foul on number 21 on LPU. Jerry. First personal foul against Jerry. 13 foul against LPU. Nice shot on Pilarca. 1 minute 15 seconds. 19-9. 10-point lead LPU.
Baba. Walang practice kahit sa delay.
St. Joseph. Back to the veteran. Fake. Nice move. The veteran. Open jump. Favorite shot on the veteran. 21-9. Back to 11-point lead on LPU. 50 seconds. Braveheart to Alparador. Hesitate. Jump. Open jump to 3-point lead on Pilarca. Nice back to Tedor. 14 to shoot. Fake. 10 to shoot. Now, El Parador, 11-21, 35 seconds. 10-point lead on LPU. 14 to shoot, 25 seconds. Jerry. 10 seconds. Out the bed. 15 seconds, 15. Braveheart rebound, still one. Braveheart, oh! 7 seconds. 7 seconds remaining. 7 seconds on the first quarter. St. Joseph. Third ball. Basket count. Nice shot coming from Pilarca. Basket count. Score 21-14. 3-point 21-14. 7-point lead on LPU. Second quarter ready. The flying K now. Air ball.
Go.
Oh! Alamat, may flying K. Pasad now. Play. Pasad. Looking for the flying K. Nice fake. Flying K now. Close to close. Left hand. The flying K. Kupo. Now 16-21. 5-point lead now on LPU. Alcala. Pass to Estrada. He's still on the flying K again. Flying K to Estrada. Oh, it's kickball. 9 minutes. 21 against to 16. 5-point lead on LPU. Inbounding Pasad. Flying K. 14 to shoot. Wow! Alas shot tayo 17 now. Si 18 to 21. 3-point lead now on LBU. Alcala. Oh, defense. Nice defense on the Flying K. Kumpo. The Flying K now. Flying K. Go! Turnover on the white shirts. 8 minutes, 15 seconds on the second quarter, 21-18. LPU St. Benil. Support Akala. Pass to downside. Short. Rebound by Estrada. Now, white ball. White ball. 7 minutes, 50 seconds.
Depensa!
Pass it now. Pass to RR. Wow! RR now 21-21 point in LPU. Estrada. Athena. Estrada. Escape. Estrada now. Foul. Foul on Labarias. First on Labarias, first team foul on St. Benil, 21-20 our score. 1 point lead LPU. Oh, rebound by Estrada. Estrada now. Wow! Yun na! Rebound on LPU again. Athena. Air ball. Rebound. 10 to shoot. 10. Wow! Estrada. 23-20. Pasag. Carried by Juport. Algara. Juport to Pasag. Fake. Looking for RR. 14 to shoot. 14. Traveling violation on the Flying K. Kumpo. Turnover against St. Benil. 6 minutes 45 seconds. Only 3-point lead by LPU. 23 against 20. Estrada. Pass to Athena. Carried by Flying K. Nice pass again to Estrada. In and out. Rebound Pasag. Pasag. Pass to RR. It's 3-2. RR. Fake. RR. Foul.
Foul naman.
Foul on number 22 in LPU. Bilarte. First and Bilarte. First team foul LPU. 6 minutes 10 seconds. Inbounding RR to the Flying K. Flying K. Kumpo. Back to Pasag. Pasag. Short. Alcala. Alcala now. Alcala drive. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Labarias. Timeout on St. Benil. Whoa! Turnover again by LPU. Our score 23 against 20. Pasag. 14 to shoot. Rebound on Juport. Alcala. Alcala now. Alcala attack. Alcala. Oh, you know, rebound on Flying K. Oh, LBU. Bilarte. Bilarte goes to Cosio. You move short. Rebound on RR. Oh, still again. Arga. White ball. Nice defense on LBU. 5 minutes. Flying K. Oh, you're out. Athena. Nice defense on RR. To Labarias. Pasag. Yes, on Pasag. 22-23. 1 point lead now on LPU. Fake. Ignacio. Drive. Stop. Pump. To Alcala. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound on Labarias. Pasag now. Duro flying K, stop up, flying K, looking for Labarias. Still an LTU. It's 1-2. Side step. What a shots! 25 to 22. Back to 3-point lead on LPU. 4 minutes. Air ball. Oh. LPU ball now. 25 to 22. Back to another place. Alcala. Whoa! Escape. Nice pass natin to Alcala. 27-22. Back to 5-point lead on LPU. Mandaradag. Hello, pasag. Air ball. Back to back air ball by Pasag. Bilarde. Back to Bilarde. Athena. Oh! RR. RR now. Stop up. RR right to the goal. Short foul. Foul on number 28. Athena. First on Athena. Second team foul on LPU. Three minutes. Akal, foul. Foul on Alcala. 13 foul on LPU. First on Alcala. Akal. To fly K now, fly K. Pass to RR. Too strong, rebound again for fly K. Fly K. Short. 40 to shoot. Athena. To Bilarde, side step. Rebound by Alcala. Ignacio. Yes! On Ignacio. Parike. Foul on Alcala. Warning for penalty on LPU. Warning. Second on Alcala. 1 minute 50 seconds. 29 to 22. 7-point lead in LPU. Flying K. Short again. Rebound by Labarias. 40 to shoot. Pasag. Too strong. Rebound on Athena. Athena now. Athena. 1 minute 30. Bilarde. Pass downside. Yes! On Ignacio. 31 to 22. 9-point lead on LPU. Montero. Pasag. Again, in and out. Rebound back by Athena. To Alcala. Yes, Athena. Yes! 33 to 22. 1 minute. Parike. Steal. It's 4-1.
Apat.
40 to shoot, 40 seconds. Foul on number 29 ang si Binil. No, 13 foul on St. Binil. 38 seconds, 38. First on Mondragon.
Sir, tama naman yung reklamo niya. Technical number rin.
Technical foul on number 22 on Bilarde. 30 seconds, 30.
Tira mo nagalit eh. Tira mo daw. Sinabi lang naman eh.
Technical free throw shot awarded by Kuko. Technical foul on Gilarde.
Hindi na pwede magreklamo, bro. Change rep. Substitution rep. Dito ang inbound. Dito ang inbound.
30 seconds, 30. 33 to 23. LPU ball, LPU. Okay, laro.
Kagaling ko lang po sa trangkaso po. Tinarangkaso.
LPU ball. Our score 34 to 27. 7-point lead on LPU. Bounding John Chamroy to Alcala. Alcala looking for St. Joseph. Short. Ipon Aparador. Dador. To Flying K. Flying K. Stop up. Gary Alcala. Dador Aparador. Braveheart. Yes! On Braveheart. 34 to 29. Now 5-point lead on LPU. The veteran. Oh! We're not going by the Braveheart. We have to Flying K. Flying K to Alpador. Dador. Ador. In and out. Iban on RR. In and out again. It's two. Braveheart. Braveheart. Yeah! Still on Alcala. Alcala now. 5-on-1. It's 5-on-1 to Jerry. Yes! On Jerry. 36 to 29, back to 7-point lead on LPU, 8 minutes, 50 seconds, Flying K, Dador Aparador, Dador, airball, even on the veteran now, is 5-on-3, the veteran goes to goals, foul. Who's fouled up? Foul on Braveheart. First team foul on Braveheart. First team foul, Vincent Pining. Third personal foul on Braveheart. 8 minutes, 38 seconds. Oh! Yeah, the veteran Pagulayan, 38 to 29. 9-point lead now against LPU. RR. Drive. Pass downside, Pilarca. Oh, easy shot on the big man, Pilarca. Veteran. Pass to St. Joseph. Okay. St. Joseph, still on the extra rise, Pilarca. 14 to shoot, 14. What a defense coming from extra rise, Pilarca. 7 minutes, 51 seconds. 14 to shoot, 38 to 31. Jerry. Rebound on extra rise, Pilarca again, Flying K. Flying K, stop up. Flying K. Side jumper, too strong. Rebound on Alcala. Alcala to the veteran. Veteran move. Veteran. Looking for Jerry. Jerry, favorite shot. Pull out jumper. Bang on Jerry. 40 to 31. Flying K. Flying K Kupo. Side step. Flying K foul. Muspa left. Foul on number 24 on the veteran Pagulayan. Second on the veteran Pagulayan. First team foul LPU. 14 to shoot. 7 minutes. Flying K to RR. RR now. 10 to shoot. Veteran. Veteran. Pass to Jerry. Short. Iba na ganda veteran. Veteran now. Veteran pass. Pass to Alcala. Alcala side step. Foul is back. 10 to shoot. Jerry. To St. Joseph. 5. Black by RR. RR now, it's 3-2. RR, drive. Yes, on RR. Foul. All on 06 on RR. First on RR. Second team foul on Sentinel. 6 minutes 23 seconds to free throw given by the veteran Pag Ryan. Yes, nice shot by Pag Ryan. 6 minutes 20. 41 to 33. 8-point lead on LPU. Short. Oh, top by Jerry. Jerry again. Bang on Jerry.
Parang si Devin Booker ah.
43 to 33. The Jerry to veteran. Pag-Ryan is in one. Nice pass. Oh, yun lang. Time out on Sentinel. Score now 45 to 33. 5 minutes 53 seconds. 33-45. 12-point lead on LPU. RR. White ball. Referee mistake.
Technical yun.
Referee mistake. Braveheart. Flying K. Rebound on extra rise. Pilar ka? Black foul. Foul on Jam Lloyd. Second team foul LPU. Second team foul on LPU. Second personal foul on Jam Lloyd. Nice shot on extra rise. Pilar ka? 5 minutes 18 seconds.
Kakasabi niya pala ng
Oh, nice shot by extra rise. Pilar ka? 35 to 45. 10-point lead on LPU. 5 minutes. The veteran. Pass to St. Joseph. Back to the veteran. Take attempt. Veteran. Short. Rebound on the door to RR. Still by Ricochet. Alcala to jump. In and out. Extra rise to Flying K. Flying K. Kumpo. Bang on the Flying K. Kumpo. 45 to 37. 8-point lead na LPU. Foul.
Challenge mo!
Foul on number 92 on Braveheart. Braveheart, fourth foul on Braveheart. Warning on Braveheart. 13 foul on Sentinel. 13 foul on Sentinel.
Wesley, pag manalo isang Engelsberg ng daw.
Basket substitution tayo pa. Basket substitution. Rebound on RR, double R. Braveheart. Oh, what a pass by Braveheart. Steal on Ricochet. Alcala to the front. Veteran. 47 to 37. Double R, side set. Braveheart. In and out, top. St. Joseph. To Jerry. Pass to Braveheart. St. Joseph style step. Short. Rebound on the extra rise. Still better to say. St. Joseph. Fake. Yeah! In and out, out the double R. Braveheart. Aparador. Fake. Aparador now. Aparador, drive, Aparador, stop, Aparador, short again. Rebound of Braveheart. Yes, on Braveheart. 47 to 39, 8-point lead now on LPU. Jerry, 3 minutes. St. Joseph, 14 to shoot. Foul. Timeout on LPU. Our score 47 to 39. Warning for penalties at Pinil, 14 foul. Yes, on Jam Lloyd. 49-39, 10-point lead back to LPU. Steal by Ricochet. Oh! On the round. Nice fake. Short. Rebound on LPU. Ricochet, Alcala pass to Jamhead. Cherry. Bang! Jerry! 51 to 39, 2 minutes. Hazard. Pass to Crooks. 14 to shoot. Extra Rice. Oh, extra Rice. Pilarca, 31 to 51. 10-point lead now, LPU. 1 minute 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. Gathering direction, troubling. 1 minute 42 seconds. Not counted, basket not count. 1 minute 42 seconds, 51 to 41. 10-point lead on LPU. Rebound by Crooks. Extra Rice. In and out. Rebound on Aparador. Peg. Aparador. Oh. Foul on Pagurayan, the veteran. 13 foul LPU. Third on LPU. Third personal foul on the veteran Pagurayan. 1 minute 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. 14. On the round. 10. Ow! Rebound on the veteran Pagurayan.
Hoy, 1 minute ah. Oh, lapit dito po. Shot lock.
Jerry. 14 to shoot. Foul.
Penalty.
Foul on Crooks. Penalty penalty. First on Crooks.
Kaya mo. Gusto ng bukalado.
51 to 41. 51 against to 41. $52 to 41.
Baba. Tuloy.
Pasal. Parador. Foul.
Baba.
Warning for penalty LPU. Warning on LPU. 33 seconds.
33 seconds na lang. 33 seconds.
52 to 42. 33 seconds.
Pwede.
Yes! 54-42. Steal. 25 seconds. 25.
Challenge.
12-point lead set LPU. 25 seconds.
Oras.
Aparador. Crooks. In and out. Rebound on the veteran. 15.
Last shot.
3 ball. Rebound. Extra Rice.
Basket count, basket count. Ball game rep, ball game rep.
Mission na yan. Kasap tayo. Diba, nalasking ka? Yak.
Flying K.
Yun!
In and out. Wow, Labanas, foul. Skip. Foul on Labarias. Pushing foul on Labarias. First team foul on Sydney.
Teka lang labar yan.
Second personal foul against Labarias.
Sagit lang rin para ayun nag-goal para oras tayo.
Foul. Oh! Rolling Berry should rolling. Labarias. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Labarias! First basket, 3 points on Labarias. On the game. 54-45. Now 9-point lead on LBU. Ignacio, too strong. Rebound on Braveheart to Flying K. Flying K now. Flying K drive, stop up, rebounds to Braveheart, steal on Ignacio. Ignacio now to Newport. Foul.
Sandayan nyo yan! Palagi nakahawak yan!
Si Paulette.
Nangasawa yan!
Foul on number 19 on Labarias. Second team foul on Sentinel. Third on number 19 on Labarias.
Porting mo na! Hindi marunong si Magpan, mag-assist. Hindi marunong mag-assist. Harap! Depensa!
Double R now, double R. Pass to Pasal take. Too strong. Oh, nice defense. Pass stats on the Flying K. 8 minutes. 54-45. John Lloyd, jump to Bilarde. Bang on Bilarde. 56-45, back to 11-point team LPU. Flying K. Pass to Labarias, looking for double R. Double R. Inalaan wala dito ng Ignacio. To Atena. Gadi ba pasal?
Balik!
In and out, iba na on the double R. Double R now. Double R, zigzag, sa step to R, nice pass, so Braveheart! Bang! Basket count and 1 on Braveheart! 47-56, back to 9-point lead on LPU, foul on number 18 on LPU. First team foul LPU. Third personal foul on Jam Lloyd, 7 minutes. Basket timeout, Thailand, basket timeout. Pasal, 14 to shoot, 14. Flying K. Iba na Atena. Now. Atena. Galibila Flying K. Atena. Pass to Ignacio. Back to Atena. 14 to shoot, 14. Ignacio. Yun na, iba na Braveheart. Looking for it. Labarias now, stack, Labarias. Pass to Flying K, attack, Flying K! In and out, iba ng Jam Lloyd, pass to Ricochet, Ignacio. Yes! Ignacio, 58-47, 11-point lead na ang LBU. 6 minutes. R, zigzag. Pass to Labarias. 14 to shoot, 14. Flying K. Basag, 10. Short, Labarias. Black. Bayatana. Chamloy. Yes. Time out. On St. Benil, 60 to 47, 13-point lead on LPU.
Reran, pasok ko na Reran. Mayaw na nga ako. Ha? Mayaw na nga. Bakit ito mayaw? Ha?
Ball game, rep. Ball game.
Balitan ko ng bao. Kaya, sabihin tayo. Uwi na ako. Sige tayo. Sabihin mo, ganun kamera. Nako, lapit rin!
Extra Rice, Pilar ka. Aparador, Black. Aparador again, Aparador. Foul.
Balitin, ha? Bro, alam mo yung ano, lalabas? Hoy, tsara yan! Baksat, Toy! Tsara yan, 100%.
Sana!
60 to 49 now, 62 to 49. 11-point lead on LPU. Ricochet, Alcala.
Shot lock!
14 to shoot, 14. Extra Rice now, rebound. To Aparador, Aparador, stop, pump.
Lapit!
Flying K. Bilarde. In and out. Rebound on the Flying K. Stop.
Bro!
Ito bigla. 5 seconds.
14 to shoot. Big, nice big. Move. Foul. Wanna move from Extra Rice. Bilarga, foul. Foul substitution. Foul number 22. Second team foul on LPU.
Apat na kay Bilarde.
Fourth personal foul on Bilarde. Warning on Bilarde. 60 to 49, 11-point lead on LPU. Correct.
Alale, malakas!
50 to 60. 10-point lead now. LPU, 4 minutes, 20 seconds, last quarter.
Ano, kita rin.
Now, to show rebound on Extra Rice, Larga. Flying K. 52 to 60. 8-point lead now, LPU. 3 minutes 50. Bilarde, Ignacio. Pass to Atena. Atena now, in and out, rebound on Atena. Atena back to Atena, 14 to shoot, 14. 10. 5. Still by Braveheart. Braveheart to Flying K. It's 3-2. Flying K, stop, pump. Flying K. In and out, rebound on the front. 1-1, Ignacio. Bilarde, pass to Jamar. Pass outside. The veteran. 62 to 52. About to a 10-point lead on LPU. Aparador. Again, short rebound on LPU. 3 minutes 10.
Sige! Wala ang kamera, hindi pa nila ninyo! Wala kamera agad eh!
Oh, Bilarde. As to Flying K. Braveheart, nice move by Braveheart. Short again, Braveheart. Yes on Braveheart. 54 to 62, 8-point lead, LPU. Atena. It's 3-on-1. Atena Ignacio. Time out on St. Fidel. 10-point lead on LPU. Double R. Double flying K. Extra rise. Back to double R. Flying K. In and out. LPU. LPU ball. Same ball. LPU.
Pre, huwag mo na kayong bumabala. Kunin mo na mula.
LPU ball. Sap.
Hindi, LPU di ba, bro? LPU di ba?
Same ball. LPU ball. Out of position. LPU.
LPU ball. Kunin mo lang yung bola. Malamig yan. Malamig.
Oh, di ba may Braveheart? Braveheart to...
Baba!
Pilarka. Steal! Oh, shot! Iba na Extra Rise. Extra Rise to double RRR. Black! What a block coming from Japan. 1 minute 53 seconds. 1 minute 53 seconds. 10-point lead on LPU. 19 to shoot.
3 seconds! 3 seconds!
10 to shoot. Stepping in the line. 1 minute 45 seconds. 1 minute 45 seconds. Time out. LPU.
Sakit tayo isa, oh.
Last 1 minute 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. 14.
Nice one!
10. Yes! Oh, the veteran! Still! 1 minute 20. Wow! Villarreal 68 to 54. 1 minute 15.
Wala kita halataan.
1 minute.
Ubus na, pre! Ano pa? Ano pa ang traso yun?
14 to shoot. Foul.
Nice one.
13 foul on St. Pinil. Third. 57 seconds.
Kahit di pumasok, di ba ito ay namin? Hindi na pumasok. Hindi, oh.
10 to shoot.
Dre, depensa! Depensa!
56 to 68. 40 seconds.
Lloyd, tira 3 points!
30 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Yan! Takaw!
Oh, skate.
58, 68. 20 seconds.
Hoy, Toshen!
Huwag niyo na pasutin, pre.
10.
Toshen!
Yung pala yung
And our game, our winner, LPU 68 to 58.